How to use the dark web. The dark web is a hidden part of the internet that is only accessible through specific software and browser configurations. It's often used for illegal activities, such as buying and selling drugs or weapons, or for accessing websites that are blocked by filters. However, the dark web can also be used for legitimate purposes. For example, it can be used to protect your privacy online or to access information that is not available on the regular internet. In this guide, we will show you how to access the dark web and how to use it safely. We will also provide some tips on how to stay safe while using the dark web. If you are interested in learning more about the dark web, please keep reading. How to access the dark web. According to https://darkwebbrowse.com/ the dark web can only be accessed through specific software and browser configurations. Install a special browser such as Tor browser. Configure your browser to use the Tor network. Access the dark web websites by typing their addresses into your browser's address bar. Here are some of the most popular browsers that can be used to access the dark web. Tor browser, Firefox with Tor add-on, Orbot for Android, Onion browser for iOS. How to use the dark web safely. The dark web is a dangerous place, and it is important to take precautions when using it. Never reveal your identity. Use a VPN. Use encrypted communications. Be careful with the websites you visit. Don't download anything from the dark web. Use a secure browser extension such as HTTPS Everywhere. Be aware of the risks and take precautions to protect your privacy. The dark web can be used for legitimate purposes, such as protecting your privacy online or accessing information that is not available on the regular internet. However, it can also be used for illegal activities, such as buying and selling drugs or weapons. Visit the link in the description below for more information.